most respected CEO of the Nehru Group of Institutions, my brother Dr. Krishna Kumarji. I have always been a part and parcel of Nehru College, and I can never say no, however busy I am.
Padma Shri P.R. Krishna Kumar, Managing Director of the Aryavaidya Pharmacy, Coimbatore. Like his father and founder of AVP, leads a zealous quest for excellence both in service and products. His leadership has ushered into new avenues like creating an awareness about Ayurveda at the World Health Organization and thereby made a great breakthrough for the science to be made known for the world over. He has to the credit of successfully setting up of first Gurukula Ayurvedic College in the country with 100% free facilities. He did his first collaborative research project in traditional medicine with the World Health Organization and launched a popular journal of Ayurveda in English in the 70s. He established the Ayurvedic Trust Hospital and Research Institute at Coimbatore. He established the International Institute of Ayurveda for Research, for which the foundation stone was laid in the year 1978 by the then President of India, Sri N. Sanjeeva Reddy, which is recognized by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. He is also the Chairman and Managing Director of CARE Keralam. He also organized the largest global Ayurvedic convention at Coimbatore in the year 2008. Sri P.R. Krishna Kumar was awarded Padma Shri by the President of India in the year 2009. He is the member of Governing Council of prestigious colleges in Coimbatore. He is felicitated with Glorious Captain Industry Award, Patanjali Ayurved Gaurav Samman Award, Kulapti Munshi Award, Doctor of Science degree by Kuvempu University of Karnataka, Vaidya Sundarlal Joshi Smriti Prabandhana Puraskara, National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Award, and he is the iconic ambassador of Coimbatore as regarded by the Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Coimbatore. Presently, Sir is the Chancellor of Avinashi Lingam Institute of Home Science and Higher Education for Women.